At Orlando Pressure Wash and More, there's no job that is too small or too big. On this job, I did the house, I did the screen enclosure, and I did the surface area around the pool. I take my time, I do the work myself. I have a passion for what I do, love what I do, and who I work for. My customers make me who I am, and I exceed expectations. I know what's expected. This is very meticulous work, doing every cross member, each bar going across. I can make it look new. Again, surface area. I move everything, clean everything, put it back. I want to make sure customers feel as though the house has never looked better. And that's what I want to hear, and that is what I hear from my customers. Call Orlando Pressure Wash and More to make your home pristine again. Thank you very much. Happy holidays, everyone. Make it a great day.